Imagine yourself living your student life in a bliss. We'd bet it paints a pretty picture in your mind. Bringing you Gallery Apartments. It's where the magic begins. From a range of spectacular classic studios to split-level and two-bedroom apartments, Gallery Apartments has everything you need and more. These rooms have a king-size bed, a spacious study area, plenty of storage spaces, private bathrooms, communal kitchens, and kitchenettes, helping you take things easy and feel at home in no time. The property has hipster decor in its communal areas, which have foosball, table tennis, and a great books collection for your leisure. Visit the Simmer Room to unwind against the beanbags while you enjoy the latest hit. You've got a fantastic, fully equipped free gym on the property so that you can stay fit and be up to date with your college work, which you can easily get done in the study room. Gallery Apartments provides its residents with on-site laundry services, free unlimited high-speed Wi-Fi, bike storage, and a team of accommodating staff available on the property 24/7 in case any assistance is needed. Glasgow Caledonian University, University of Strathclyde, and Glasgow School of Art are only 10 minutes away from the property. There are plenty of social hubs and recreational spots around Gallery Apartments where you can hang out after class. So connect with us at amberstudent.com to get started with your magical journey today.